Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about crypto consolidation. Now, if you are catching the stream live, welcome. If you are catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, you hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, whenever the stream is done, join us in the Discord links. Go out. Thank you for joining me tonight on an awesome Saturday night. Not a lot of people in, but everyone that's here has liked, which is freaking awesome. Thank you guys for coming in and liking. I don't think there's going to be a lot of people watching tonight. Not a lot of requests in the Discord. So we'll see how things go. We might keep it a short stream. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let's see who's in the house. Your Fluminense, how's it going? AB Lopez, what's up, my friend? Dirty Rand, hey man, and how's your fever? Yo, there we go. Sound goes out. There we go. Awesome. So let's move to the screen where the magic happens and see what is happening with crypto. Crypto did go up to date, but not by a lot. Upper Crypto, what's up, man? Not by a lot. We did pull back down a bit throughout the day. We didn't close above the resistance line, which is somewhere I was trying to get back above. Hopefully Bitcoin was going to get that move. We didn't. We gained 0.25%, which is not a lot, but at least it was not negative. I mean, it's considerable when you think that 0.25% or a quarter of a percent point is $5 freaking billion, right? It's quite a bit of dough. Apostolic Man says, Matic, yo. Today, still trying to go up, but undecided. It's going to be Sunday. Like I said, volume. Not sure how much volume we're going to be getting on the daily. Here on market cap, it does seem like there's been a lot of volume being moved. But usually weekends tend to be a little bit slow. So we're going to go check Bitcoin. We'll check out the rest of coins. The rest of the coins, and we'll see what we're doing, right? Anyways, this really is tanker from the highest point, which is fine. But for now, I mean, this will do. Bearish divergence still there. We still have it against the RSI. Overbought at 70.72. That's about it. I mean, crypto's still trying to rally. It's just losing a little bit of steam right now. It is a weekend, like I said, volume might be tapering off. So let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 41.33%. It dropped some market cap yesterday, 0.40 today, trying to gain 0.08%. Price of Bitcoin is nice to see it at 50,000. Nice. to see that 50,000 again. Throughout the day, it was trading around, you know, the 49s. Still closed red yesterday. And today is Sunday, trying to go back up. Hopefully we can get to 51,000. Not sure we're going to get there today. I like the fact we managed to close still above 49,691. And hopefully today we can do that. And then Monday we could be looking for a higher price. At least that's what I'll be expecting to see. Divergence is still here in play. We're still going higher right now, still coming up a little bit higher, coming lower still and lower still, but the day has not yet closed. So all I'm going to do is just going to drag these lines. And I'll be saying, be careful. There is bearish divergence. We have not created positive momentum yet. And we know that when we create positive momentum, we aren't going to be anchoring, and we might be creating bearish divergence immediately. So we'll see, right? We'll see how this keeps on behaving. We are bought at 62.40. Let's go to the 4-hour chart here for the corn. Look at this. It's beautiful, man. Sorry, guys. Came back tested a couple times, right? Holding it, and now even held at 20 beautifully, and closing above and trying to move higher. So we are ranging, we are consolidating. That's what the name of the stream is, crypto consolidation. Is there anything bullish? Nothing yet. Low, high, negative, less negative, low to high. Last thing we have, strong bearish divergence, moving us down, finding support, which is good. Nothing bullish to say we're going to run, but you know what we have, and we're trying to move up. Bollinger Band's starting to squeeze a bit, and we know that when we get those squeezes, we do tend to get wild swings happening. So we're gonna see where we're gonna swing to, man. Hopefully to the upside, right? It's volatility in the market doesn't tell us where we're gonna swing. It just tells us that when volume comes back in, volatility is gonna pick back up, and we should be expecting a wild swing. Sorry, guys. I didn't look at the daily here for the volume. As you can see, volume, even though we've been going higher, it's just been tapering off, right? So just be careful. Cheers, by the way. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. In the 1-hour chart, look at that. Beautifully holding. Held. Above the 20. Not the strongest moves. Nothing bullish. Low, high, negative, less negative. Low to high still. High to low. Positive, less positive. High. Low. Nothing bullish. Nothing bearish on Bitcoin right now. It's just consolidation. We don't know where we're going to break. This consolidation, unfortunately, doesn't tell us where we're going to go. If anything, I would call for a symmetrical triangle here. I'm using this point here and this point here, right? And then we're just rejecting those areas. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to shift this to blue. Then you guys can see it, right? And on the bottom part, we can just go like this and say, yo, this is our bottom line. So again, I'll be saying consolidation. We should be expecting for a break to happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. We're very mature into the pattern. We know this pattern is tend to break up after 50%, maybe before 75 or 80%. Right now, we're really deep into the pattern, so I'll be expecting to see a break soonish. I hope we don't get to maturity, right? So we'll see how things keep going. That's it for Bitcoin. Well, let's go check out Ethereum. I was worried yesterday because there was a lot of bearish divergence, right? There was a lot of bearish divergence all over the place. I'm glad that we're holding. Ethereum 3,900. Am I glad to see it there? Yeah, I mean, it's consolidating. It did drop quite a bit more, 1.31%. Right now, trying to gain 0.41%. Not too bad. Again, had bearish divergence. We were expecting a movement down. Kind of got one. Again, we could be consolidating before continuation to that 4,000, the $192 mark. So, overbought. It's in 1.46. Again, strong bearish divergence in play. We could still be getting effects of that on the 4-hour. Look, strong bearish divergence. Move down, hit that 20, finding support and trying to rally on that move. Creating hidden bullish divergence. That's where we're holding support, the 20 moving average. Very nice here in Ethereum. I like this play. It might not be the strongest bullish divergence that you can find, but I like the fact that we're holding that 21. Elon Musk of Lurking says, adds to the crypto. When does you pump? Well, does you pump when you tweet about it, Elon? You might be losing your tweeting powers, though. We are ball at 65.64. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Look. Low, high, right, bearish divergence. Coming back down. Broke that 20. Right now, resisting it, right? We've been resisting that 20 since we broke it at 9 p.m. yesterday. Bringing it back above it, failing. Look, failure. Dropping lower. On this movement lower, we might be creating some bullish divergence here. Look at this. Boom. Right. Bam. A little something nice here happening, right? on the 1 hour chart. And with this, we're looking for that potential action to the upside. Again, if we were looking for some kind of consolidation here, I would say we're doing a falling wedge of sorts. And I'll be probably anchoring like this and say, yo, we're starting to break it. All right, so again, bullish divergence, potential action to the upside, getting above that 20 right now, rejecting on the next candle right now, trying to take that 20 again. And if we do, we could be going for that move higher, right? Again, it's gonna be Sunday. Sunday tends to be weird. Usually some Sundays crypto drops. I'm not gonna say every Sunday, but we do know that towards the first half of Sunday we pump, and then towards the afternoon, like, it starts to drop off a little bit. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully we can get a green Sunday going. By the way, guys, if you're here and you haven't done it, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, and hit that sub. Thank you for joining us here at State of Crypto, one of the best crypto channels out there, because you guys are watching and you're part of it. So on that note, let's keep rolling. That is it for Ethereum. Hamakrin, what's up, man? Let's go check out the Binance at $498. Man, did it pull back. Hand divergence, pumping up again, right? It's fine. We pull back from here, pull back from higher levels. It's all good. There's really not a lot developing right now. There's nothing bearish. Bought at 64.55. Yesterday was a mellow day for crypto, and I'm glad. So today, Saturday, was mellow. Tomorrow, we'll see how this is going to go, right? Sundays, sometimes so weird, man. Sometimes so weird for crypto. On the 4 hour chart, strong bearish divergence. With that, the potential for action to the downside. And here, we're bought at 60.33, pointing sideways there, so not real clear direction on the RSI as to where we want to go. We were having the triangle moving down, failed pump on bullish divergence. Now we have strong bearish. We might move down with that, aiming for that 20 moving average at $490.62. How much greens I sold 2/3 of my crypto portfolio and paid off my house. Congratulations, my friend. Congratulations. That's what you do, man. That's what you do with crypto, right? Hey, man, what's the point of holding something if you're never going to sell it and get ahead? I'm happy for you, man. Applaud. I will applaud that here. There we go. Your awesomeness, and congrats on buying your house. Well, paying off your house and being debt free. That's what it's all about, man. Doesn't it feel better when you're debt free? Like, you can breathe, like a weight's been lifted off your shoulders, when you know that all the income that comes to you, it's yours, and now you can spend it as you see fit without having to worry about putting some income off to the side to pay off debt, to pay off cards, to pay off houses, to pay off cars. It's awesome. Congratulations, my friend. I am really, really happy for you. I'm extremely happy for you. That is awesome, dude. That is awesome. And I'm glad that you decided to sell some of that crypto and get some PC on your life, because that's what it's all about, right? We buy crypto because we want to get ahead in life. We want to be better off in the future. But if you have debt and you're not paying it off and you're just amassing more debt and you're not really taking advantage of the current prices to, like, settle that and then have everything that you have just be profits, bro, you're missing out. So I'm super happy for you, dude. I am really, really happy for you, man. That is awesome. Congratulations, dude. That is so amazing. Give him a round of applause, guys. Come on. It's awesome. If you guys are doing that, while you are trading crypto, buying, hodling, whatever it is that you're doing crypto, but you're, settling out whatever you have open, it's amazing. Congrats. Congrats on that, my friend. Cheers. There we go. So let's keep rolling. 4 hour chart, bearish divergence, action to the downside. Still, that 20 moving average there at support, right? $490.56. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Jorge Carranza, thank you very much for being here, man.
What's up?
Right, man. But look, most of that was paid off with blood, sweat, and tears, bro. But last stretch was crypto. But you know what, dude? You're free. You are where a lot of people are not. Everything that you make right now is just pure gains. You can now save and invest and do other stuff without worrying about, debt, which is awesome. Now you can buy crypto, you can buy cars, you can buy whatever. Maybe not cars, but, just don't buy debt again. Or if you buy debt, buy smart debt. It's okay to buy a house on debt if you rent the house. and then you flow that money through that you rent the house at to pay off the mortgage or whatever you have pending, and then that you basically are acquiring a property while the debt is being paid off by a third party, right? So there's smart debt that you can acquire, and then there's dumb debt, like buying a PlayStation with a credit card, buying a massive computer with a credit card, or just making a huge expense of buying something that you're not gonna put to use, is not gonna return you an investment, right? It's something that's gonna depreciate in value after a couple of years. Yes, you're gonna get some satisfaction from using it, but you're not gonna get a monetary value return from it. So if you are acquiring smart debt, congrats. So like I said, dude, you can acquire debt, just be smart about it that you acquire. Like buying another house, put it on rent, have someone buy, so have the person that rents, that money goes to pay your mortgage, you earn a little bit of income on that, and you can flow that in a certain way towards basically you're paying, like you don't have to pay taxes on it, I think. Talk to an accountant, there's a way that you can go around that. Because you're like generating housing for people, and you can turn it into a sort of business, I think, and you can also deduct some things from that. So you just talk to an accountant, they can put a strategy together for you as to how to use that, right? Anyways, let's see what we have here. I'm not going to call the hidden bullish. There is hidden bullish, low, high, negative, more negative. The reason I'm not calling this is because this island is tiny. And that's why I'm going to wait here. We're below at 20, trying to go back up. So I'm going to wait here, right? You're listening to Dave Ramsey. I'm not sure who Dave Ramsey is, but hope he's a smart guy. That's it for Binance. Let's, we don't have anything else on queue. All right. It's a quick, shortest stream ever. I'm kidding. Someone said Matic, so we're just gonna do Matic here. And then someone said Anchor. It's a slow day, so you know. There you go. Hopefully it doesn't lose. Be selective, guys, to who you hear or to who you listen to, right? Listen to smart people. You have limited amount of hours in a day. If you're wasting time listening to people that are not giving you any value, bros. Alright, so be smart on who you listen to. Be smart how you spend your time. Your time is your most valuable asset. It's like your most valuable thing you have. Right? If you misspend that, you're never going to get back. Make sure you're spending time wisely. Right? Time is more important than money. So, with that said, let's keep moving and let's do Matic. Matic on the daily. Very nice pump yesterday, 19.35%. Bro, is this looking good? Yes, but it has strong bearish divergence, so watch out. First things, strong bearish divergence, sir. Look at that. It's starting to form though, right? This is the first bar of positive momentum that we're building. So just be mindful of that. On this move also, look at this, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential action to downside. Watch out. We could be looking for pullback after a 19% pump. 4-hour chart. Man, we're clear here. We're going higher, more positive, higher still. Overbought at 70.78. Now to look at here. It's already rallied. It's doing good. Let's go and check out the 1-hour chart. Strong bearish divergence in the 1 hour. So we have strong bearish on the daily, strong bearish on the 1 hour. With that, the possibility for action to downside. Where could we go? The 20 moving average would be a very, very tempting candidate right now for a move. So that 20 moving average is where I would be targeting here on a potential drop. We are bought at 65.59. And with that, if we do drop, if we decide to drop, right? This is not a for sure thing, but if we decide to drop to that 20, we might be making a little bit more negative momentum. And with that, some hidden bullish and bouncing, right? Your basic short resistance and wealth is not paying payments with interest. Yes, look, that is pretty good. Something else a lot of people don't do, right? They just buy stuff with credit and then look, yeah, I'll pay it later on. But if you pay your credit card at the end of the month, you're not going to be paying interest, right? So if you pay it right as your due date is for that card, you're basically getting a loan that you're paying without any interest, right? And then you can basically just keep on revolving that credit But when you wait and then you don't pay on time, then yes, that moratory payment starts acquiring interest, and that's when you start doing a lot more things, right? You're enjoying the Matic run. That is awesome, EC. Thank you very much for being here. We've talked about everything today. Well, not everything crypto related. We talked a lot of stuff that we usually don't talk about. We are bought at 66.11. On that note, that is it for Matic here, man. Again, be careful. Let's go do Solana, because Solana got pulled back yesterday, right? Some of you guys were on the, should I buy Solana? Should I sell Solana? I said, don't buy. It's not financial advice, though. You can do your own thing. That's starting to get some recovery. So we didn't have anything bearish here on the daily. Again, actually downside breaking below. The 3618 extension. Trying to get right at it again. So trying to break back above it. Overbought at 83.06. 4-hour chart. Look, strong bearish divergence. Move down on that, right? Boom, broke this level. Didn't quite go for that 20. Would have been amazing if we would have gone for that 20 moving average. But look at this. Are we doing divergence? Negative to less, negative, low to high. Nothing here. So nothing bullish. We are trying to bounce with the rest of the market. I would have loved to see a little bit more pullback on Solana. It would have probably been beneficial. I mean, people would have gotten hurt. Probably they would have gotten scared. People selling. But pullback is good. Remember, pullback is our friend. Pullback allows us to get back in at better areas of value and add more to our positions. And those pullbacks also help rebalance a little bit of the market, right? We've just been pushing bullishly, so lower, lower, and lower. So we didn't have anything here bullish. Again, strong bearish here. Action to the downside, starting to move down on that. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower still. Nothing here that I could look at for it to be bullish. Maybe here short term, we could say from here to here. It's very, very short term bullish divergence, and that's about it, man. That is about it here, right? As for Solana, someone said Anchor. We'll do Anchor real quick. Anchor did $1. So, let's go to the daily. Anchor doing good, pumping 6% yesterday, 5.91% today. Not a bad move. Combined, we earned 12%, not too bad. Higher positive, more positive. Everything here is good. There is nothing bearish on the daily. We are getting above the 382, and we might be heading for that 236, and that retrace. Very, very nice here on Anchor. 4-hour chart going higher, more positive, and higher still. I'm just going to assume in here, I do believe we're more positive. Yep, more positive. So nothing bearish right now. Massively pushing 5% on this 4-hour candle. And the 4-hour, again, this candle is just 3%. Again, doing very nice. But just be mindful, there is some strong bearish divergence that is starting to develop right at a resistance level. We have not closed this hour. We can still pull back and close below. I'm not going to be calling for that yet. Again, the hour is still running, but there is bearish divergence that could put pressure on the price. Just be watchful, right? We do know that when we get to this areas of resistance with divergence, we do tend to look for potential pullbacks. Fazan, what's up, bro? SC coin. What is SC coin? Instead of crypto coin? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Cheers, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining. 15 people watching. Thank you for joining. If you're liking the content.
What's up?
First of all, what's up? If you're liking the content, make sure you're liking the bell and hit sub. See a coin. All right. Right. I'm not sure if we've looked at that one. All right. So we have. Oh, snap. Removed it from the list. See a coin at 2.41 cents. So 2 cents. 2.5 cents almost. And no, we haven't even fibbed this. All right, so we'll get some fibs out here real quick. First things that we gotta do, right? Fib to see where we're at on the retracements. There we go. High to low. Getting that rally. It's all good, right? Well, 23.60, whatever. Yep. Sorry, not 236 at 1.96 cents. What the hell was I talking about? What the hell was I talking about? Anyways, here we go. Let's zoom in here. Let's see what we're doing. We're going higher, a little bit less positive, lower there on the hour side. So strong bearish divergence is starting to build. We had the possibility for action to the downside. It's not the first time that we've created strong bearish divergence on this project. We also had it back here. Uniswap is heading down since the SEC news investigation. All right, should ditch it. Bro, I cannot give you advice on that. You gotta make up your own mind. I mean, when Ripple SEC lawsuit came out, I had a really clear idea as to what I wanted to do, particularly right after Spark drop, after Spark snapshot. That's what I did. I sold my XRP. It's entirely up to you what do you do with that money, right? Milagros Munoz. Which cryptos do you like? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Litecoin, not so much. Binance, okay. RSR, the Vault. Trying to figure out what else I have in my portfolio, man. I haven't looked at my portfolio in a while. Some links, some ADA you guys donated. What else have I bought recently? Recently, I haven't been buying a lot of crypto, right? I already have what I had from a while, so I'm running with that, right? My bro wake up in time for his flight. Yeah, he woke up in his flight. Yeah, he woke up in time for his flight. It's good. No, it's bearish divergence actually downside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Higher, higher, and higher. Boom. Dude, really not a lot here, man. Settlers motion going higher. We could say there's weak divergence here. And this here move. We're just going over this. There is weak bearish divergence, and then any small pump is going to get rid of it. So, not really going to be putting a lot of weight. There is not a lot of separation here. It's tiny though when we zoom out. So you could even say that there's some strong bearish divergence here, and with that, some possibility for retracement on the side coin. And with that, we could go down to a 20. But look at this. I love this. Came down and hit that 20 bounce. Came down and hit a 20 bounce. So we're rejecting that 20. Could we go to the 20? We could. Are we going to go there? I'm not sure yet. Let's re-anchor this thing, right? Let's re-anchor this. Low to high, positive and high, higher high. There's really nothing here that is bearish. 1 hour. We are consolidating though right now. After getting hits at that 20 and bouncing beautifully, man. No hidden divergence either on this move. So right now it doesn't have a lot going on. It's just bouncing, right? It's pumping, it's doing okay. Not really worried about side coin. So let's go back to the corn. The Bitcoin at 50,224. Man, will it pump more? Will it break this flag that started to make, right? Again, what are you gonna say? Why didn't you call for this yesterday? Because it wasn't built. Like we were live here yesterday at like 9 p.m. at 10. And then afterwards we started to make all this consolidation, right? Which is good. Nothing wrong with consolidation. Could lead to higher prices. Anyways, going back to the debt talk. Yes, it's fun. It's fine to pay debt. Don't be afraid of selling your crypto. Don't be afraid of missing gains. It's better to be debt free than to be missing gains, because in the end you still have interest running that could be more than the pumps that you're getting on your investment. So if you have the ability to basically become debt free, you should do that. You can always buy more crypto later on, get different pumps and get different returns. But if you're making a good amount of money right now and you can settle your debt and basically be done with it, you should do that. That's like not financial advice though, but it's the right thing to do. Once your debt is free, you're gonna be able to breathe. You're gonna be able to buy back stuff again, without debt, and then own your crypto, right? Not saying, the market's pumping right now. You could have paid your debt off, and then the market's gonna drop, and you're gonna be like, oh crud, dude, I could have paid my debt, and now, even if I sell my crypto, it's not gonna be enough to pay debt, right? Whatever. So you guys should definitely, if you can, try to sell your debts in time, so you're not being eaten by interest rates, which are a terrible thing. So be smart with your investments. On that note, look at Bitcoin trying to break. If it breaks here, man, where will it go? It will go for a measure move of the pattern. What will the measure move of the pattern gets us? I'm betting right now, just by looking at this, what we call this ballpark estimation. We're gonna go up here, man. So resistance at 51,250. That's the target. When we get there, what are we gonna do? Well, if we do go quickly, right, we're going to low to high and then high to low and create strong bearish divergence without a chance for a rejection at that area. Be watchful of this, right? Be mindful of this, right? It's doing good, right? On the daily, look at it. On the daily, it's beautiful, right? So I know it's cluttered, but I'm gonna point this here on a different chart, which is gonna be a little bit cleaner, I think. Hopefully this chart is cleaner. It is. It's weird. I didn't think I was gonna have a clean chart here. Anyways, but look, what we're looking at here was just all these divergences that we're building here, right? Building divergence like this. Right, and then I think here we're going on the other chart at least we're going high to low, high to low. Right, everything like that, and then we're going from here to here. So something like this. Where we have this rounding here, and then we have the divergences here. Right? So against the MACD, the RSI. Again, we were doing divergence on this larger group. Sorry, not that first one here. Oh, great. So now the chart decided to load with everything, even the lines I just drew. Dang it. I gotta go find a cleaner chart. Why do I have so many Bitcoin charts? I'm gonna try to highlight with this curve. See if I can get it to work here. Right on. Look at this, right? This was a Bitcoin move. From here to here, we had divergence. From here to here, we had divergence, and then divergence. Look at what we're doing right now. Not that tool. There we go. So this that we had here, up to here, is looking very similar to what we're doing here. I'm worried that we might be creating a fractal. Will it get us to the same drop? Maybe it won't be as strong of a drop, but it wouldn't be weird. Calicrop Doxes, Adam, German. Let's put that in the list. Opinion on VT. We haven't looked at VT, my friend. Usually requests come with at the state of crypto, like Calicrop Doc did. And that's how I queue stuff on the list. Let's go check out the Atom. So since we have not looked at VT today, I cannot give you an opinion on it. I think it's a fine project. I'm just not sure what it's doing. I can't remember the last time we looked at it. Anyways, bearish divergence, action downside coming down, consolidating above the 236. Whoa, sorry, yeah, 236, which is not bad. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Gravity says, I said the same thing. We're repeating that last stuff. Yes, to your friends. Awesome. Yeah, it's starting to look similar, right? It's starting to look similar. This stuff from the daily that came over, I forgot to anchor it. So what we're gonna do here is send it back. So with that, action and downside moving down again, hidden bullish, popped on that, tried to get above that 20, which we barely did, and right now we're rejecting. So we can say we're consolidating for all matters and purposes regarding this asset right now. Not really anything else developing right now. It's just consolidation, waiting for it to break, right? We could draw a line like this and then draw a line like that and say, yo, look at this triangle, right? Not pinpointing it, I'm just highlighting it. I'm going to delete it in a second, but look, triangle formation. Symmetrical triangle, can't break either way, 50-50, so no clear indication as to where it's going to go. Neutral at 54.18 on the RSI. Pointing down a bit, giving us an indication that we could still be looking for action downside. However, it's not very steep, and a good chance that if we get above that 20, we could be looking for a break of that triangle, or at least that resistance line on the top to the upside. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Last time we looked at this was this bullish divergence. With that, look at that, boom, holding support. Very nice, action to the upside, pumping with that. High to low, positive plus positive, and high to low. Even here, low, high, and higher high. Positive, more positive momentum, and even more positive. Low, high, and higher. So we're doing okay. Nothing to worry about here. Some hidden bullish divergence even here towards the end. And that's going to be about it for Adam. Right? Hidden bullish. There we go. Potential fraction to the upside. We went up, hit that 20. Rejecting. Trying to overtake that 20 again. Again, we're not really doing a lot here. Like, a lot of crypto's consolidating right now. That's why the title of the stream is Crypto Consolidation. All right, we're starting with Bitcoin. Failed to break that area. And again, I'm looking for Bitcoin to break, hopefully to the upside, right? We're stagnating, not stagnating, we're consolidating, we're sideways motion, triangle formation, could break either way, but I'm hoping to see it break to the upside and try to get to that 51,000, man. We do need to do something to break that pattern I was highlighting, right? We need to do something to break this. Otherwise, we might repeat this top. And it's not going to be fun because it could take this drop somewhere around here, maybe. And then we can consolidate and maybe create another minor one. And then, it's going to become a very, very large consolidation pattern. How do I mean? What do I mean by that, right? Well, if this, right, it's a minor portion of this, right, like a fractal, and that becomes a fractal over here, all we're going to be doing is just going to be going like, and right, something like that, and then we might create another fractal here, which is not going to be fun, man, because then we're just consolidating, right? The next high is going to be lower than the previous high, so we'll see, man. Hopefully we can break here to the upside and have Bitcoin pumping. I know it's tiny in your screens on the cell phone right now. There's where we're looking. So let's go back to Ethereum. 3,895, below the 3,900 area. Again, I'm just really, it's Ethereum, you can do it. It's just a small pump. Come on. Get about 4,192, my friends. Yeah, he's our Ethereum target. Again, it's been a slow stream today. It's been a low stream. A lot of people are not really looking at crypto, not doing a lot. So I think we're going to be calling it early tonight. I want to be calling it early tonight. It's been a little, weird couple of last days. So, yeah. Thank you guys for coming in, though. If you haven't done it, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Thank you for helping me build an awesome community here on crypto. The state of crypto it's one of the best communities out there for sure. And like I said every day, is because you guys are here. Because you guys watch, because you guys interact, because you guys chat, because you guys are in the Discord, you post ideas. We have an awesome community. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. A pleasure being here with you guys tonight on an awesome, what is it today? Saturday night. It's a Saturday night, man. I got a good drink here. So, on that note, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is all for entertainment and educational purposes only. On that note, catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.